Ah, the good old days. Believe it or not, these are the weekend bonuses that Uber was offering drivers in Boston exactly 1 year ago this week. You could earn up to an extra $455 doing 100 rides, and even the lowest bonus was almost $3 extra per ride. Flash forward to this month, in August 2024, it's a much different story. We're down to 50 cents a ride. And this is one of the few places that's even still offering Weekend Quest bonuses at all. Now, these bonuses have absolutely no effect on my driving plans. I choose the lowest one, and if I get it, I get it. If not, I don't care, even if I'm close. These bonuses from a year ago in August of 2023, they were real incentives to drive. I used to actually map out my weekend to maximize my driving time, be able to get these rides in. What about you? What are you seeing in your market? You still seeing Weekend Quest bonuses or ride challenges? How much are you getting? And what's the most you ever got on a Weekend Quest bonus? Chime in the comments. Let us know.